Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are pretty fine and doing very well. I'm back again with a very stunning and classic collection of different type of lace, blouse and top design ideas. This is a useful very collection for you, so guys, just watch this video till the end. Very beautiful designs of lace blouse you will see in this video within different color, different style and different designs. I hope so you can get many ideas of blouse and shirt design you will see in this video. All these blouse or designing is totally different from one another. I hope so you're gonna love this collection. If you are loving this design in this video, please do like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notification. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you, so just visit my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you and you can get many ideas from those videos. Dear friends, don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was this design, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, and which type of more video will be useful for you. And do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and keep visiting my channel for more collection and more ideas. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video with the new collection and designs for you.